Hello everyone, this is King IoT. This video I will show you our new product. This we have designed the KC868-E16S board. This board is based on the E16 board. We have some improvements, such as we have installed ESP32, and also you can use the Ethernet, and every channel of the relay, this is removable relay, and we have the button, menu control button. And this time also we have a speak and 433 MHz receive and I2C extend. And this board also can install on the DIN rail. Okay, let's look at the hardware details together. Okay, let's look at the E16S board. You can see here in front of the board, it's very beautiful, and is the back, because I have already installed the plastic box, so that this can also install on the DIN rail. You can see here we can install on the DIN rail for this E16S board. So let's look at some details of the PCB board. You can see they have a PCB board not installed the relay, because this we use the OMRON relay is removable, so we're easy to repair and if the relay is broken. And you can see here is the back of the PCB board. This is back, and this is in front of it. And you can see here is some relay. This relay we have used the OMRON relay that is 16 ampere, so it's enough for you to use. And this time we can see here is the ESP32 module, and this is USB for download, and the reset button, and the download or the function button. And this is a speak. Maybe you can make some alarm speak sound for this speak. And this is for 433 MHz RF receive module. And you can see here is the serial port extender. You can connect with the HMI interface, and this is I2C extend, and this is the Ethernet. And here you can see have some 4-channel analog input from 0 to 5 volt DC, and the ground, and the RS485 interface, and the power supply. And as you can see, here is a 16-channel menu control button, so you can press on, off, one by one switch controlled by this relay, and this second switch controlled by this relay, and the third by this relay. So every relay will have a menu control button. This is a push button, just push button. And also, if you want to extend the button, maybe you will install wall switch on the wall, so you can use this terminal. That is digital input. The digital input, just this switch buttons one, so that is for extend install on the anywhere. So this is the E16. The E16 board is very easy for testing your smart home automation. So because we have the menu control button, so we're easy to press this button to turn on relay and turn off relay without any software. And you can also download the ESP32 module from the ESPHome integrated to Home Assistant, or you can write the Arduino code to this ESP32. So that will be a good board for you to use for your home automation. Okay, thanks for watching.